Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this video is your go-to for enhancing efficiency and precision in your next project. So, sit tight, relax, and enjoy. With the Milwaukee MX Fuel Concrete Vibrator, you can achieve faster and smoother results on your concrete projects. It features a brushless motor that provides constant power and speed, a variable speed trigger that allows you to control the vibration intensity, and a flexible shaft that can reach hard-to-access areas. This tool delivers up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge and features a push-button design for easy operation. It has an ergonomic design that reduces fatigue and improves comfort, a LED light that illuminates the work area, and a one-key compatible battery that lets you track and manage your tool remotely. So whether you need to consolidate, level, or smooth concrete surfaces, this tool will get the job done. Next, we have the Ryobi Wet Dry Vacuum, a highly versatile and efficient cleaning solution. It's designed to tackle dry debris and liquid spills with remarkable efficacy. Its compact yet powerful build ensures an exceptional suction capability, effortlessly capturing dust, crumbs, and other dry particles. Meanwhile, with a simple switch, it quickly handles liquid spills. Every mess will be taken care of with this powerful vacuum. Oh, it's portable and lightweight as well, which makes it easy to carry around from room to room. So, no more lugging heavy vacuum cleaners up and down the stairs. With this cleaning companion, say goodbye to messes and hello to a clean house. Circular Saw is an indispensable tool whether you're working on a professional wood project or handling some DIY home renovations. And this Makita GSR02 Circular Saw is here to deliver immense power with huge cutting capacity and accuracy. It features a powerful brushless motor that delivers 4,000 RPM of no-load speed. Surprisingly enough, this circular saw provides twice the cutting speed of the corded one. On the other hand, this tool has a great battery life, meaning you'll never have to leave your project unfinished. No wonder it's a cool saw, extremely lightweight and so easy to use. With its convenient auto-start wireless system and dust extractor, it allows you to get the best cut possible. Now it's time to forget all those annoying cutting hassles with a little help from the Makita GSR02 Circular Saw. Using the right screwdriver is the key to the ease and perfection of any drywall installation project. If you fail to choose a worthy one, the outcomes won't be precise enough. But you can never go wrong with this Makita XRF03Z Autofeed screwdriver. This compact tool simplifies the way professionals used to drive fasteners. It basically boosts the process with clever features. When you face multiple applications of drywall, decking, and framing, it never lets you down in terms of power. You can drive a decent number of screws on a single charge. And the Autofeed housing is designed with a screwless one-touch hook for effortless attachment and removal. Plus, it offers you high collated screw capacity for the most complicated workshop situations. You think driving fasteners are annoying? Possibly you didn't see this XRF03Z in action yet. To enhance your cutting experience, here's the Ryobi Table Saw solution for you. It offers an impressive array of features to enhance your cutting capabilities. It's powered by a robust, brushless motor and advanced electronics. This table saw delivers corded cutting performance, achieving up to 4,500 RPM for precise and controlled cuts. Plus, its adjustable self-aligning material fence ensures straight and accurate cuts, while the rack and pinion blade height adjustment guarantees precise depth control. The sturdy steel frame provides added durability and strength for heavy-duty applications. Concerned about safety? No worries. It has a blade guard assembly with anti-kickback pulls and includes a push stick, prioritizing operator protection during use. So, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a woodworker, with this you can easily tackle your cutting tasks. Milwaukee MX Fuel Diamond Core Drill. This big tool comes with big power. It simply allows you to core with confidence by delivering AC performance. With a maximum core diameter capacity of 152 millimeters wet and dry, it stands for the most demanding jobs around the job site. Thanks to the 2-speed gearing, you can take on multiple applications. Plus, there are laser-etched speed and capacity markings on the metal body. and a patented auto-stop clutch that provides best-in-class protection, preventing over-rotating when losing control. On top of that, it has an onboard level sensor that guides the user to achieve a straight and accurate finish whilst horizontal drilling. Oh, you'll also get an integrated water line for wet coring, which is compatible with the M18 switch tank interchangeable sprayer and water supply system. If you are into gardening, you'll need the Makita UC10DC XT pruning saw, a graceful companion that brings harmony to the art of tree pruning. With its easy-to-use nature, lightweight design, and compact size, you can effortlessly glide through thick branches and spend a little time cutting them down. Plus, its compact and lightweight BL motor radiates efficiency, granting the wielder the gift of control and the power to sculpt nature's beauty with finesse. The soft grip handle and electric brake system empower maximum productivity, allowing you to take on any cutting task with proper confidence and safety. Tired of using large and bulky screwdrivers? Want to grab something handy? Here's the Bosch IXO. Well, this tiny guy delivers everything you want from a screwdriver and comes surprisingly compact. First and foremost, it's so lightweight, meaning you don't need to go the extra mile while using it around your home or workshop. Thanks to the convenient trigger, operations will be cozier, and the intuitive forward-reverse switch brings comfort in hand. Moreover, the coolest part hits here. It has 2 lighting modes for your different needs. Despite being so compact, it's a little giant. Say goodbye to regular metal cutting shears. The Milwaukee Variable Speed Nibbler is here to take the lead. This variable speed nibbler is a revolution for metal cutting. This compact tool may look like the rest, but it's in a league of its own. With the same cutting capacity as its competitors, this nibbler delivers fast, accurate cuts in 16-gauge mild steel, as well as 18-gauge stainless steel and 12-gauge aluminum. But what sets it apart is its ability to outperform heavy applications, like 22-gauge spiral duct seams cutting. The variable speed dial provides optimum control for materials of different thicknesses, while the tool-free die holder orientation changing mechanism and LED work light increase productivity with absolute comfort. Next on the list is the Milwaukee M18 Searchlight, a powerful and versatile handheld flashlight designed to provide exceptional performance and durability in a wide range of environments. This searchlight allows you to spot farther and flood brighter, making it ideal for a variety of applications, such as camping, hunting, and emergency preparedness. One of the standout features of the light is its pivoting head, which provides 1,250 lumens of TrueView high-definition output and over 730 yards of beam distance to spot objects and areas at a far distance. This makes it an ideal tool for search and rescue operations or for illuminating large outdoor areas. Another impressive feature of the Milwaukee M18 Searchlight is its 4 output modes to suit your specific needs, whether you need to illuminate a wide area or focus on a specific spot. Well, here's an innovative solution for spraying chemicals with ease. The Milwaukee M18 Backpack Chemical Sprayer is part of the Switch Tank Interchangeable Sprayer and Water Supply System, which features 3 different tanks, a regular sprayer, a concrete sprayer, and a water supply tank. The interchangeable tank design allows for the same M18 powered base to be used across multiple tanks and applications, delivering a cost-effective and efficient solution. The base is designed with a removable tank, which isolates the pump, hose, and wand. Additionally, the battery-powered sprayer eliminates the need for manual pumping, saving time and reducing user fatigue. Meanwhile, the 5-mode adjustable pressure dial delivers ultimate control, allowing users to adjust the pressure between 20 and 120 psi and achieve up to a 7.6 meter spray distance, which is pretty substantial for indoor and outdoor use. Tired of flat tires and worn-out exteriors? Say hello to the Milwaukee Low Speed Tire Buffer, your new BFF in the workshop. This handy tool delivers superior performance, ultimate control, and unbeatable runtime, so you can make all those pesky tire repairs a breeze. And it's so good that it replaces those outdated pneumatic solutions. Who needs them anyway? With 2 speed modes to choose from, you can maintain consistency and conquer each job with ease. Plus, Milwaukee didn't skimp on battery life, so you can complete up to 30 regular tasks on a single charge. No more stopping mid-task to recharge. Woohoo! But wait, there's more! Thanks to the built-in LED on the head, you can now tackle those dark, dim spaces with confidence. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.